How to check messages on iCloud account. Let's get started. First, launch your settings. Now at the very top, you're going to find your Apple ID. Click on it. Navigate to the option iCloud. Click on the option See All. From this list, head over to the option Messages in iCloud. Toggle on for this option. Once you have enabled for this option, you have just sync your iCloud messages to your device. Now you can head back. Go to the main page of settings, scroll down, click on the option apps. Now from the list of the app, find messages, enable for the option iMessage, click on the option send and receive. Make sure you have check in for your email ID. Then you can toggle on for the option send as text message, likewise MMS messaging. With these, you'll be good to go. You'll be able to find your iCloud messages in your messaging app. So this is how you can easily check messages on iCloud account. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.